Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on assignment discussion, anatomy and physiology of the human skeleton and muscles. In this video, we will explore how the human body moves with such precision and strength. We will examine the structure and function of the skeleton and muscles and discover how these systems work together to enable coordinated movement and physical performance. The assignment requires a 10-minute presentation. It focuses on the musculoskeletal system. You must use slides with diagrams and models. A written submission with references is also necessary. Be prepared to answer questions to demonstrate understanding. You'll learn about the skeleton's structure and functions. Joint classification and movement are key topics. Understanding the muscular system's role is crucial. Accurate anatomical terminology is required throughout. The goal is to explain how these systems enable movement. The skeleton is divided into axial and appendicular parts. Bone types include long, short, flat, and irregular. Functions include support, protection, and movement. Blood production and mineral storage are also critical. The structure-function relationship is essential for understanding. Bone tissue comprises compact and spongy types. Osteons and Haversian systems are key components. Collagen and minerals give bones strength and flexibility. These elements contribute to the bone's durability. Understanding these structures is crucial for grasping bone function. Joints are classified as fibrous, cartilaginous, and synovial. Each type allows different movements. Examples include flexion, extension, and rotation. Anatomical planes help describe these movements. Understanding joint structure aids in analyzing movement. The muscular system includes skeletal muscles. These muscles support posture and enable movement. They work by contracting and relaxing. Muscle structure is vital for its function. Understanding this system is key to comprehending movement. Muscle contraction is explained by the sliding filament theory. Actin and myosin interactions are crucial. ATP and calcium play significant roles. Contraction leads to movement by shortening muscle fibers. This process is fundamental to muscle function. Muscles work in pairs called agonist and antagonist. Examples include biceps and triceps. These pairs control joint movement. Understanding their roles is essential for analyzing motion. This concept is crucial for explaining coordinated movements. Choose an activity like walking or lifting. Identify the joints and movements involved. Recognize the muscles contributing to the action. Analyze how coordination and control are achieved. This analysis enhances understanding of complex movements. Your work is graded by Ascentis standards. Grade 1 requires accurate descriptions. Grade 2 demands good application of knowledge. Grade 3 expects excellent depth of understanding. Detailed analysis is necessary for higher grades. Use Harvard referencing for all sources. Accurate citation is mandatory. Plagiarism and malpractice are not tolerated. Upholding integrity is crucial for academic success. This ensures the credibility of your work. Recommended resources include Tortora and Derrickson's work. Marieb's Human Anatomy is also suggested. OpenStax offers valuable insights. These resources support your learning. They provide a comprehensive understanding of anatomy and physiology. Use slides to support explanations, not as scripts. Incorporate diagrams and models for clarity. Practice delivering your presentation confidently. Be prepared to answer questions thoroughly. Effective communication is key to success. The axial skeleton includes the skull and spine. The appendicular skeleton comprises limbs and girdles. Each part has specific functions. Understanding these divisions is crucial. It forms the foundation of anatomical knowledge. Muscles enable movement by contracting. They also support posture and stability. Each muscle has a specific function. Understanding these functions is key to analyzing movement. This knowledge is fundamental for healthcare studies. Consider the action of lifting an object. Identify the muscles and joints involved. Analyze the coordination required for this movement. Understand the control mechanisms at play. This example illustrates complex movement analysis. In conclusion, integrating musculoskeletal insights into healthcare practice is essential for improving patient outcomes. Understanding the structure, function, and interrelationships of muscles, bones, and joints enables clinicians to assess movement patterns accurately, identify dysfunctions, and implement targeted interventions. Applying this knowledge supports injury prevention, enhances rehabilitation strategies, and promotes overall musculoskeletal health. Ultimately, a musculoskeletal-informed approach fosters evidence-based, patient-centered care, ensuring more effective and efficient healthcare delivery. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 0748 4361 688, and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.